Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this time I'll be showing you how to use the phone clone application on the brand new Huawei P Smart Z. Okay, so let me just go into the tools. So this is the phone clone application. Okay, so this app allows you to transfer everything to your new Huawei device. Okay, so I've just got this device, so I'm going to set everything up. So I'm going to select allow and select this is the new phone. I'm going to select allow, 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 allow. Okay, so select all phone systems. So if you have another Huawei device, you will select the Huawei option. Or if you have another Android device like I have here, this is the Nokia 7.2. So I'm going to select other Android, or if you have an iPhone or an iPad, this is the option you're going to select. So like I said, I've got the Nokia 7.2. That's the old device, so I'm going to select that. Okay, so install phone clone on the old phone. So let me hit next. Okay, so I'm going to install phone clone on the Nokia 7.2 because this is the old phone. So I'm going to go to the Play Store and I'm just going to simply type in phone clone. And here it is. So I'm going to install it. And then open it up. Select agree. This is the old phone, yep. And then allow, 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 allow. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scan the QR code on the new phone. And now it's going to start connecting. So as you can see they're connecting to new phone and connection successful. Okay, so now I can start the transfer. So you get all the options here. You can transfer contacts, messages, call logs, calendar, photos, music, videos, documents, and applications. So I'm going to transfer these. So hit transfer. And as you can now see, it's sending. Okay, so you just want to wait for it to say sent, as you can see there, and transfer complete. Okay, so one item was successful and one item failed, but the transfer is complete. So yeah, guys, this is how you transfer files from your old device to the new device, which in my case is the Huawei P Smart Z. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video, and thank you very much for watching. I'm going to have to look into that and see which item failed and try resend it. So let me hit OK on here and finish on here. Okay, it's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.